In this video, we are going to discuss about the harmful microorganism. Harmful in the sense which are infectious to the other organisms, that it may cause diseases to either plants, animals or human beings. The organism which causes diseases are called as pathogens or the germs. Now, these harmful effects of microorganism can be categorized into two groups, that is causing diseases in plants, animals and human beings, and the next is the food spoilage. Now we will list out the disease causing microorganism. As I told you, the pathogens or the germs may pass from the infected person to the healthy person by various means, either through air, water or food, that is either by contamination of these three things, or by direct contact, or through the vectors. Vectors are the carriers which carry the infectious agent and pass to the healthy person. So these are the modes or the ways through which the healthy person gets the infection. When the disease passes from infected person to a healthy person, it is called as communicable disease or infectious disease. As I told you, that spread through either air, water, food or by direct contact or through vectors. Now we will see in detail about the spread of diseases by air. Usually when a person is sick or affected with cold, common cold, you know that it is caused by virus. When he sneezes or when he coughs, the droplets from him comes out and is released into the air. When that is inhaled by a healthy person, the healthy person gets affected. He gets infection. Likewise, the diseases such as tuberculosis, chickenpox, mumps, measles are spread through air. Now we will see about the diseases spread by contaminated food or water. When the disease is spread by contaminated food, it is called as foodborne disease. When it is spread through contaminated water, it is called waterborne disease. The contaminated water, when it is used for various purposes such as drinking, bathing, washing or preparation of food, it becomes infectious, or the pathogen present in them causes the disease to the healthy person. So, the unhygienic condition or the lack of sanitation may cause the disease such as polio, cholera, typhoid, rabies and botulism. So, these are the examples of the disease spread by contaminated food and water. The next is the disease spread by the vector. Vectors are the carriers. Carriers in the sense the organism which carries the pathogen or the disease causing germ. That is, it takes the pathogen from the infected person and transfer to the healthy person. For example, when a mosquito or the housefly, the insects which are considered as the carriers or the vectors, carry the pathogen from the infected person to the healthy person, resulting disease to the healthy person. Here we can quote two examples, that is malaria and dengue. Malaria is a vector-borne disease where a female Anopheles mosquito, when bites an infected person, that is the person who has affected with malaria, contains the germs called the plasmodium, and those are taken in along with the blood by the mosquito. When the same mosquito bites at the healthy person, the plasmodium will be released to the healthy person, where it multiplies in the body of his or her organ, resulting in malaria to the healthy person. Clear, children? When female Anopheles mosquito bites the infected person, the plasmodium from his body enters into the mosquito's body along with the blood. When the same mosquito bites the healthy person, from the blood, the plasmodium is released to the healthy person, and that gets multiplied into his or her body and causes infection. Likewise, Dengue is also a vector-borne disease, but it is caused by the pathogen virus, which gets transferred, or the vector here is Aedes mosquito. The next vector here is the housefly, which sits on the garbage or the dirt, and it carries the pathogen, or the pathogen stick on the body of the housefly. When the food is kept uncovered, the housefly drops the pathogens on the food. When it is sitting on the food, it drops the pathogen on its surface. When the same food is taken by the healthy person, the pathogen get transmitted to the healthy person and cause disease to the healthy person. Diseases such as gastroenteritis, diarrhea, food poisoning are caused by these means. Thus, we have discussed the harmful microorganisms in detail, that is the spread of diseases by air, by food and water, and by vector. Please do learn the content also, children.